Hello diecast fans, welcome to PhD Racing. Here we have two more cars racing for Season 2 of the Philippines Diecast Racing. We have a Toyota AE86 going against a Nissan Skyline R30. This is the best of 3. Heat number 1. Let's go! The AE86 sprints its way to the finish line to win heat number 1. Heat number 2, can this R30 Skyline force this race into a third heat? It's not looking good for the Skyline at the start, and the Toyota wins heat number 2. That's it for now. Follow us for more diecast racing.